Django fails to create superuser and other DB than default. Is it a bug or am I wrong? I am at the step to create a superuser, but Django won a table in wrong DB despite my router seems to work. Settings.py. Routers.py. Command. As you can see, it looks for cartons.auth_user that doesn't exist. It should be Django_cartons alias by intern_db instead. However, my router is called and returned the right result as we see read auth and true in the command output. Any idea?
The thing is, the system is somewhat broken. It respects the config for some tasks but not for others, the two first true in the output, but it doesn't for other and use default. This is perhaps intended, even if weird. Actually nothing forbid to have several admin DB, and that permits not have automatic dark choices. Actually, to create the SU in another DB, and for any usage of these command, you must pass the database where you want to create it explicitly. Note, the DB name is the alias in the config.
If you come here and use a PostgreSQL database, then you might need to configure schema with the search_path option. Then write migrations and create superuser.
You need to make migrations to your database before creating a superuser. To make migrations, this will create the auth_user table in your database.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.